Hello and welcome to The Science of Drugs: How the 5 most popular types affect the human body. In this video, we will explore the effects of the 5 most popular drugs on the human body, including how they are made and their impact on the brain and other systems. We will also discuss the challenges associated with treating drug addiction. The 5 most popular types of drugs are marijuana, cocaine, opioids, hallucinogens, and stimulants. The first is marijuana, also known as cannabis, is made from the dried leaves, flowers, and stems of the cannabis sativa plant. It is most commonly smoked, but can also be ingested through edibles or vaporization. THC, the main psychoactive component of marijuana, acts on cannabinoid receptors in the brain and nervous system, leading to feelings of euphoria, relaxation, and altered perception. The second, cocaine. Cocaine is derived from the leaves of the coca plant, which is native to South America. It is often snorted, but can also be smoked or injected. Cocaine acts on the brain by increasing the levels of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, leading to feelings of euphoria, increased energy, and decreased appetite. The third one is opioids. Opioids such as heroin and prescription painkillers like oxycodone are made from opium, which is derived from the opium poppy plant. They are typically ingested orally or injected. Opioids work by binding to opioid receptors in the brain and spinal cord, which can lead to feelings of euphoria, pain relief, and sedation. The fourth is hallucinogens. Hallucinogens such as LSD and psilocybin mushrooms can be synthetic or naturally occurring substances. They work by activating serotonin receptors in the brain, leading to altered perception and consciousness. These drugs can cause hallucinations, distorted thinking, and mood changes. Last one is stimulants. Stimulants such as methamphetamine and cocaine are often made in illegal labs using common household chemicals. They act on the brain by increasing levels of dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, leading to feelings of increased energy, alertness, and euphoria. Drug addiction can be difficult to treat, as it is a chronic and relapsing condition. Treatment options include behavioral therapies, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, and medication-assisted therapies, such as methadone for opioid addiction. It's important to seek professional help and support from loved ones when trying to overcome addiction, as it can be a long and challenging process. The effects of drug use can vary depending on the type of drug and the amount consumed, but they can have serious and long-lasting consequences on the body and mind. In some cases, the after-effects of drug use can be permanent and even life-threatening. One of the most serious consequences of drug use is addiction. Repeated drug use can lead to changes in the brain that make it difficult to control drug cravings and impulses. Addiction can have a profound impact on a person's life, affecting their relationships, work, and overall well-being. It can be difficult to overcome and often requires professional help. In addition to addiction, drug use can also have physical effects on the body. Long-term drug use can damage the heart, liver, and other vital organs. It can also lead to respiratory problems, infections, and other health complications. Injecting drugs can also increase the risk of contracting HIV, hepatitis, and other blood-borne diseases. Drug use can also have a significant impact on mental health. Many drugs can cause or worsen symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. Hallucinogens and other drugs that alter perception can cause flashbacks and other persistent psychological effects, even after use has ceased. Finally, drug use can have social and economic consequences. It can lead to job loss, financial difficulties, and legal problems. Drug use can also strain relationships with friends and family, and create social isolation and stigma. In conclusion, the after-effects of drug use can be serious and long-lasting. Addiction, physical health problems, mental health problems, and social and economic consequences are just a few of the potential risks associated with drug use. It's important to understand these risks and seek help if you or a loved one is struggling with drug use. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. We appreciate your support in spreading knowledge and awareness about the science of drugs and drug addiction.